Though they may appear to be the same, value streams, processes, and operations are all different in unique ways. These three terms will be used a lot in this course, so it will be value added to get a clear understanding of what exactly the terms mean. The value stream is the entire set of activities that are required to design, produce, and provide goods or services. Included in every value stream is both information and material flows. When a value stream map is used, you can identify both value-added and non-value-added activities. It's worth noting that most value streams contain more than 70% non-value adding activities. A process is a sequence of interdependent and linked procedures designed to transform inputs into the desired outputs. Each stage of a process consumes some type of resource. Some parts of a process are intended to create value, while other parts of a process are intended to support the creation of value. Primary processes are end-to-end processes that directly deliver value while focusing on the core creation activities of an organization. Secondary processes support the primary process and do not directly deliver value. To put it simply, processes are a series of steps, actions, or operations that transform or advance materials or information from its current state to another state. Let's take, for example, a part that is machined. A raw material is placed on a machine and transformed into a part. Depending on the process, the part is then transported or moved over to the next step. Once complete, it will likely be inspected or compared to a standard that defines what is acceptable and what is not. Finally, the part may be placed in a warehouse until it is sold or to wait for further processing. This defines four basic steps or operations in a process: storage, movement or transportation, inspection, and finally, transformation. Now that we understand a process, let's answer the question, what is an operation? Operations, on the other hand, are the activities, jobs, tasks, or actions that are performed to intentionally change materials or information. Operations can be performed by machines and/or workers. For example, a worker may assemble or disassemble materials in an operation. A clerk may format data in an operation. Or a surgeon may perform some type of operation to transform someone's health. Operations are generally linked together to form a process. With an understanding of value streams, processes, and operations, it's worth noting that all three of the above mentioned can be broken down and improved at different levels. So, how can we improve the processes and operations that we perform every day with the just-in-time system? In a traditional organization, the focus is on getting more out of the value-adding activities. For example, if a job is running late, a traditional organization may work overtime, hire more workers, or at times push resources to run longer, harder, and faster than they normally would. While this can at times be valuable, it is not a sustainable way to operate. Operational improvements focus mainly on the actions that are performed and sometimes may not improve the overall production of an organization. The just-in-time system, however, looks at a process and acknowledges the importance of creating value, but focuses primarily on eliminating or reducing waste. This type of focus not only improves the efficiency of operations, processes, and value streams, but it also enhances the effectiveness, improves the quality, advances the agility, as well as reduces costs across an organization. Before we move forward, consider the following question. What types of processes and operations occur in your place of work? You can write your answers down, start a discussion with the community, or answer in the upcoming assignment. In a short time, we will begin looking at the various elements of the just-in-time system. So let's tie everything together before we close. In the just-in-time system, we want the right product at the right time and in the right amount. This is best accomplished with processes that flow smoothly through an organization, and that means eliminating waste. As you ponder the operations and processes that take place in your place of work, pay special attention to those processes you feel may be riddled with waste. In a short time, we will begin introducing some new elements of just-in-time that will help things flow a little better. So, answer the question in this video, and we will see you shortly.